Hello guys, welcome back to AGB tutorials. In this video, I will show you how you can make this cool parallax effect. Here we can see that we have this character which seems to be looking at our mouse pointer anywhere we go. So if you want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get right into it. To start off with, you would require two sprites, the head and the body. You can give the body in the background since we don't require it much. In the head, you need the blank face and the face with all the facial features like the eyes, nose, and mouth. So this parallax effect, the reason why I created two of them is that each of them will move at a different speed, so it looks more realistic. So first, get a when green flag is clicked, get a hide. So since both of these are two different sprites, you would require a clone of each. So put a repeat twice, next costume, and create a clone of myself. Get a when I start as a clone, go to looks, show, forever. Here you would need a variable. Just call it parallax. Now since each of them will move at a different speed, we would want this to put for this sprite only. Then go to motion, get to go to operation, get to multiplication signs, go to sensing, take mouse X and mouse Y, go back to variables and put the parallax in the second one. And now if we try, you can see it's not moving. Well, because this parallax value is 0. So get a set parallax to 0.1 just under this hide. Now if we see, you can see we have this parallax effect. But our guy looks like he's stared right into the camera. So as I told you, both of these will move in different speed. For that, get a change, put this in the middle, change parallax by. Now here you can decide based on your character what is perfect for you. For me, it's 0.09. Now if we try it, you can see this good parallax effect. You can see that it's staring right into the mouse pointer and the head is also moving freely. So, of course, you can change the character, the values and all. But there's two things you must remember. The parallax value should always be a decimal number and not a whole number. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you.